In today's video, we're diving into some exciting news from Apple. Welcome back to CleanRouter channel. With my 15 years of protecting families online, here at Clean Technology, we love keeping families safe online. Make sure you check us out at CleanRouter.com. They've just launched the HomePodMini in a new midnight color, adding a sleek, stylish option for your smart home setup. This new edition not only looks great, but offers the same top-notch features as before. We're thrilled about this release because it aligns perfectly with our mission of enhancing and protecting your home environment. Apple's HomePod Mini has been praised for its impressive sound quality and seamless integration with other Apple devices. The new midnight color adds a touch of elegance, making it a standout in any room. But remember, while your home is getting smarter, it's also getting more connected. That's where CleanRouter comes in as your trusted partner, ensuring all those connections stay safe and secure. The Verge highlights how this new color option gives consumers more choice, making smart home technology not just functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. This aligns with our philosophy at Clean Technology, providing solutions that are both effective and beautiful. As homes become more connected, the need for robust online protection grows. CleanRouter has been at the forefront of this, ensuring families enjoy the benefits of technology without the risks. Tom's Guide points out that the new Midnight HomePod Mini is more than just a pretty face. It's packed with powerful features that enhance your home experience. From controlling your smart devices to playing your favorite tunes, it's a versatile addition to any household.
Do you know what your kids are looking at on the internet? Now you can with the CleanRouter. CleanRouter is the ultimate parental controls. The CleanRouter allows parents to easily manage all devices in your home and stop internet pornography. It controls everything connected to your home Wi-Fi. The time restriction tool makes it easy to set when they are allowed to have internet access. Let the CleanRouter help you enforce bedtimes, homework sessions, and quiet hours. Manage your kids' internet from anywhere on the go with parental controls on your phone. The CleanRouter is simple to install and easy to use. The 7-layer IntelliFilters keep your kids safe. It logs all the activities per device in an emailed report. CleanRouter is the ultimate parental controls. Get yours at CleanRouter.com today.